Have you ever wondered how your food was produced and what impact this production has on nature? And have you ever heard that with an ever-growing world population, food production may have devastating consequences on nature? Or I'm sure you did. But did you know there's an easy and cheap way to find solution to the problem I just mentioned? Just think. During 10,000 years, humans created more than 600 varieties of maize, amongst many other plants. Thanks to the archaeology of food, we know how these varieties evolved through time. We also know to which specific climatic conditions they were adapted, and we also know to which pests and disease they resist. We also know that past societies who overexploited the natural available resources jeopardized their very existence, and that some of them disappeared because of environmental mismanagement. The archaeology of food looks back at the past to understand how food was produced by humans and what impact this production had on nature. I'm specifically looking at plant remains, such as seeds, starch grains, and elements that plant produced called phytoliths or plant stones. These plant remains can be found in archaeological sediments, but also on objects that were used for collecting, preparing, cooking, and eating food. They can also be found in human body parts, such as teeth. I'm extracting the plant remains from these objects either through mechanical means or via a chemical process. Their size range from a coconut to tiny particles invisible to the naked eye. The goal of it all is to reconstruct foodways, social status, trade, and territory exploitation of past human societies. Well, we can learn from the past how to manage our current food production in a more sustainable way. And we can also learn from the past how to adapt ourselves in the near future to new environmental conditions that will occur for sure. Thanks to the archaeology of food, we can uncover forgotten plants that can be perfectly fitted to new climatic conditions. This would help to lower our impact of food production on the planet, and that without spending hundreds of millions in research to create new plants.